Hello, my lovely lock minions, and those that are new to my channel. My name is Umfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, hair guru for locks. On this channel, I'm here to guide, give advice, and some tips on how to take care of locks for you to love. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Keep watching as I go over how I dye my locks. So today I am dyeing my hair and I'm using henna. I want to share my journey as to why I dye my locks. And I use henna per se because it's more natural and I'm too scared to use chemicals. Like, I work too hard for these locks to damage them with chemicals, but then again, to each its own, because there's people that have dyed locks and they still take care of their hair fine with no problems. But for me, to be on the safer side, I'd rather use something more natural, and henna is what I want to use. In a previous video that I did already, I talked about the white dots that you see in your locks as your locks start to mature. And they're also known as hair bulbs. People call them white dots. When I first started my lock journey and my locks started maturing, I was like, what? I have lice? But the more I educated myself on my locks, I discovered that it's just my hair that sheds. Stay tuned while we go over the process of me dyeing my locks. Hello, my lovely lock minions. I just got out the shower and I removed the henna dye, and let me tell you, that was work. Let me show you the shampoo I use to remove the hair dye. I like to use Dr. Bruner's lavender and peppermint oil, but I use lavender for this one. And I did about 2 or 3, probably even 4 washes, like 4 washes. I don't even know if I'm gonna use that. I washed my hair 4 times to get the henna out of my hair. And after that, I just wrapped it up and put it in a towel. Some people like using fancy towels. I just use regular towel. And this is the finished product. And it looks darker. My hair is a little lighter, and I can see somewhat of the purple, and I really like it. Ooh, it smells like henna. I don't like the smell. I'm gonna show you how I moisturize my hair, because with the henna dye, it dries out my hair. And also using the shampoo to clarify it, you know, you're stripping your hair of a lot of the things that it needs to survive. I keep it very simple, so I'm adding 3 products to moisturize my hair. And this is the rose water, comes in clutch. I don't need a lot because my hair is somewhat still wet. Aloe vera gel. I like to use this, my hair loves it, so I'm gonna stick to what my hair loves and my scalp. And I use a light coconut oil to seal it and to massage my scalp. Sweetest hair of mine, sweetest hair of mine. Oh, it feels so good. And also with henna, it like seals the shaft of your hair. So I feel like it's an extra layer of protection, me personally, but I could be wrong, I gotta look it up. And if you know more about what henna does to the hair, comment below and let me know. So I put the aloe gel on my hands, and then I just put it through my hair. I'm probably gonna do one. I'm gonna use the coconut oil. I'm gonna put this on the hair. I'm gonna use the coconut oil and start massaging my scalp with it. Oh, this feels so good. Forehead looks shiny, so I'm gonna put the rest of this coconut oil on my face. And that is it. I moisturized my hair after I dyed it. I really like the results, but I will like it even more after a couple of days. This is also a prep to interlocking my hair. It's been almost 6 months, so I want to interlock my hair to keep the foundation of my locks. So be on the lookout for a video about interlocking the way that I do. I may not follow the standard protocol of the proper way to interlock, but I do what's best for my hair. And do me a favor. Come here. Go to my channel and check out more videos. Duh.